Today we're going to be replacing a bathroom aerator. I have a wrench here that I can take that off with. This one happens to be loose enough that I can just take it off right by hand. You can see in there you get some debris that builds up and things of that nature. But we can also reduce the amount of water that's used by putting in a low flow aerator. So this right here uses 1 gallon per minute. If I wanted to, I could put this right on just like that. But the finish is a little bit different, so what I can do is I can actually take out all of the innards of this one right here. Pop that out. Put in the aerator part of this. Most aerators come with a variety of washers that you can use to create a good seal. And then just hand tighten it right back on.